Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whether your phone uses a hybrid tray or supports eSIM. Check the exact model and carrier docs. This determines if you can run 2 physical SIMs and keep a micro SD. Once done, backup contacts and media to cloud or a PC so nothing is lost. Power off the phone, eject the tray and inspect it closely. If the second slot is labeled for micro SD, you cannot have 2 physical SIM cards and a micro SD simultaneously without an eSIM. If your phone supports eSIM, request an eSIM profile from your carrier and scan the QR or install the carrier app. This lets you run eSIM plus 1 physical SIM while keeping the micro SD in the hybrid tray. If there is no eSIM option, use alternatives. Offload files to cloud, use an OTG card reader when needed, or keep heavy media on external drives. Insert the physical SIM and micro SD carefully. Seat the tray fully, power on, and check SIM and storage settings to confirm detection. You finish by configuring defaults. Open settings and choose which SIM handles data, calls, and SMS, then format the micro SD as portable storage or internal adoptable storage depending on needs. Adoptable lets apps move to SD. Once formatted, move photos and large files to free internal space. If you hit trouble, no signal, no storage, reseat the tray, toggle airplane mode, verify carrier APN, or remove and reinstall the eSIM profile. These quick checks fix most detection and connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.